boy who cried wolf. There once was a boy who looked after sheep. The boy was bored. One day, he played a trick on the villagers. The boy cried out that there was a wolf attacking his sheep, even though there wasn't. The villagers came up the hill to save the sheep. When they got there, there was no wolf. The boy laughed at them. "You must not tell lies," said the villagers. They went back to the village. Soon the boy was bored again. He shouted, "Wolf, wolf!" and the villagers rushed up the hill to save the sheep. When they got there, there was no wolf again. The boy laughed at them again. "You must not tell lies," shouted the villagers. They went back down to the village. Later that day, the wolf did come into the field. The boy shouted and shouted, "Wolf, wolf!" But this time, no one came to help. The wolf ate all of the sheep. The moral of the story is, if you tell lies, people won't believe you when you do tell the truth. The end.